Meaning of generational.
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 Generational. Generational refers to a group of people who were born and raised during the same period of time and who share similar experiences, attitudes, and values as a result. This term is often used in reference to different generations, such as baby boomers, born between 1946 and 1964, or millennials, born between 1981 and 1996. Understanding generational differences can be helpful in fields such as marketing, management, and education, as it allows individuals to tailor their approach and communication style to better connect with different age groups.